Здравствуйте! In this video we're going to talk about the verb работать. So let's say I want to use this verb in several sentences talking about where I work and other people work. And when I look up the verb to work in English, that's the form that dictionaries are going to give me, работать. So that's the base dictionary form. So let's say I want to say I work at a college. So when we translate this into English, I in Russian, я, work. So the dictionary form is работать, but when I put it into a sentence, I need to make changes because we change the verb's endings to show what subject it's used with. So if the subject is я, I'm going to drop the last two letters, which is the ending of an infinitive. I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm going to add you, because I know, I memorized, that you is the ending that needs to be used when the subject is я. Я работаю. Then I translate at, which is вы. And once I put v, I remember that the prepositional case begins, which means I'm going to put college. There are no articles in Russian, there's no a, but I'm going to put college. And since it's coming after v, I need to add ye ending to show that this is the place information in the sentence. So я работаю в колледже. Let's say my sentence is about you now. And it says that you work at a bank. So let's translate together. You in Russian ты или вы. So let's stick with ты for now. Ты. Then work, again the base form, the infinitive form is работать. But once I put it into this sentence, I need to notice that the subject is ты, which means I need to drop the infinitive ending and replace it with the ending that goes with ты, and again that's something I memorize. So ешь is the ending that I need. Ты работаешь. Then I put в, at, and then there are no in Russian. Bank in Russian bank. And since it's coming right after v, it needs the ye ending of the prepositional case. The next sentence I want to build is he, let's say he doesn't work. So he doesn't work. So he in Russian on, doesn't will be не, and work, работать again is the infinitive form, but the subject changed, so on. And now I need to drop the infinitive ending and add yet. And again, something I memorize. So let's do the plural sentences. Let's say we work at a hotel. So we, мы, work, again the base form работать. But we change verbs, it's called conjugating the verb. We change the verb to match every subject with different endings. So instead of the T ending of the infinitive, I add ем to go with мы. Мы работаем at, в, hotel, гостиница. That's the nominative case, the base form, but it comes after в. I'm dropping a, replacing with я, prepositional case in that phrase. Now we'll have you, plural. You work at a school. Let's say secondary school. So this time I want to use the plural form. Вы, работать is the infinitive form, dropping t, replacing it with ете. В, школа. Школа changes to школе after в, prepositional case. And finally we'll have they don't work again. So they, они не работают.